Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I have a Hollar Haul here. It's really a very heavy box. It's big. It's a very heavy duty box too, totally cardboard, no orange with writing. So I didn't even know it was Hollar, but I have it on the floor. I'm just going to put the stuff up here, but I'm opening it for the first time with you guys. I mean, taking this stuff out. I just cut open the box. That's all I've done. So I saw these really heavy duty scrub brushes, and I'm really glad I got them because they are King Man, and they have a really good weight to them, you know, much better than something in the dollar store. And they have a it almost feels like a wire here. So I got these like for my deck and stuff and siding, or power washing and cleaning outside, because now that we're finally into spring, we're doing all that stuff, even though Monday we woke up to snow. Hopefully spring is going to stay this time, so we got that. Then I got these were on a special sale. I haven't shopped Hollar in a while, and they hooked me back in. So I believe these were $1. These are Collins Fresh and Original. These are those box signs. So I know that most of them were $1 that I have here. And here's the Love that was, you know, I think made popular in the 70s. The way it's written there. I used to have one over my bed as a kid, and it was like orange or hot pink, and it hung on a little chain. But anyway, I got those because they were just so cute. And I got storage boxes too, because I have these, and I'm trying to get I'll show you, the shelf closet project that we're doing. But these were $1 or $2, and I use them for photos and things. They're hard, and so you snap them together, and then they have a little plate you can put a label on. So these work good. So I got, let me see how many of these I have. One, two, and then these were $1, and I thought, wow, these are really nice. They come in a very nice box by Nat and Jules, and they say nighty night little one. So these were great to have on hand for a baby gift or anything. And I just had a feeling these were going to be presented really nice too. So, you know, with a nice box like that. So inside we have this yellow box frame. We have the cow and the moon and nighty night little one. On the back we have a sawtooth hanger, and so I thought that was really cute, and they were $1. You know, you talk about, you know, the little things in the dollar store. This is a nice little gift, especially if you're putting it with something else, maybe. Very nice. Or you forgot something and you've got to put something together right away. This is very cute. And I believe I got two of those. So let me just put that down. And see, yes, I have 2 of those. And then these also were a really nice gift. These are by Bumpkins, which is a really good brand. These were the Superman bibs. Superman, they're officially licensed product, I believe. And so, I mean, lead-free. Bumpkins, like I said, is a good brand. So I got a couple of those. And they were $1, I think, or $2 or something like that. Then I got this play tape for my boys to do some neat projects with. I have some other ones that I got at Target. These, I believe, were $1. And these are nice too to decorate accessories. I'll show you a little more on that. And then they had this really cute Nat and Jules little bunny, and I believe this was $2. And it's so ultra soft and plushy. And then I got this very sparkly hairbrush. Even the bristles are gold, right? For anybody that really likes sparkly and glitzy. This is the brush for you. So I picked up one of those. And I have another one of these box signs. This is XOXO. I took a chance because I have a pink cup like this confetti cup, And my kids, it's like a hot pink. I kind of got it for me. It was the only color they had. But then I saw these in orange, and they're good because when you have kids, these go with my Fiesta wear, but I don't have to worry about them breaking them because my kids, and my husband, I should say, broke one of my glasses that I really like. But these are from Gibson. These are from Gibson, and these were $1. I think my pink one might be from Zach. I have a few things from them, and I think the pink one I got at $1, but these are just about the same. But I got these because now, you know, with 5 of them, we'll be able to use them at the table with just the little boys, and then when all my kids are here, you know, and I can intermingle them with the other, you know, dishes, and it'll be a Fiesta kind of a look. So I got those. And then I got these for my kids, and actually this is not as small as one that my son had when he was like 2, that he just loved, and he was just a basketball kid. And I just got this because I thought those were just cute, and they were $1. Those were just a cute little thing. Then I got these, like I said, we're doing a lot of cleaning, but these were $1, these cleaning brushes. And I got 2 of those. And then, oh, perfect, these walnut scouring pads. These are natural, and I like these, and these were $1. I've gotten those before, and I've gotten them, you know, out of Hollar. Before that, they were sent to me with a bunch of stuff as a blogger. Here's one more box sign, follow your heart. And then, let's see, I got a jumbo crochet hook. My mother used to have so many of these. One for myself, I got one for my daughter because of one of the basketball games. And then these I thought, because my husband's a guitarist, I thought these were a funny gag gift or something, just to put maybe in. I have collector's dolls and stuff that could hold one of these maybe for fun. So these were $1 too, so I got a couple of those. And let's see, and then they had these bottles, and these are cute because sometimes I give the boys haircuts and things at home, and I do for the dogs too, so I got a couple of these. Got 4, so I'm going to maybe try a little crochet. I've done it a little bit before. And then I got these kingly crowns. These are for birthdays for boys, and if you want to take a cute picture, so you get, or girls, whoever. And what else? Oh, and one of these goodies, 6-in-1 styles, and it's got like a wire in it. So, and it's reversible, I guess, black, and then like a leopard print. Okay, and then I have another set of crochet hooks and another bottle. And let's see, I think, is that everything? Oh, no, we got one. Oh, we got some more stuff, guys. Okay, so we have, whoops, I just sent my camera flying. Got these cute glittery green. My one son's favorite color is green. They love peace stickers. My husband likes them too. So I saw these. I think these were like 75 cents or maybe less, maybe 25 cents. Picked up 2 of those. And then I have something in here. What could it be? What could it be? Well, I remember what it is. I think it's a magnetic board. It is. It's the, hold on, let me just get this. It's from the thing called Family, and it's that Look What I Made magnetic board. So other magnets will work on it. I just thought it was really cute and nice colors, and it doesn't only have to be Look What I Made. You could, you know, just put other magnets on it, use it for notes and things. Or if you do want to showcase something special, you can even hang it this way. So I thought that was really cute. I picked that up. All right, guys, that's it. I am also going to make some chicken cutlets for chicken cutlet parmesan, and I'm going to do a video on that. Please like, subscribe, and share. Let me know what your favorite thing was and if you got any of these goodies. Take care, guys. Bye.